MLDS 2021 presents the third edition of 40 Under 40 Data Scientists Awards, which recognizes the leading data scientists in India who have successfully transformed data into meaningful insights. It celebrates the achievements of young data scientists and leaders who are supporting the growth of analytics in their organization, have deep industry expertise, and are addressing most complex challenges of clients using analytics. These leaders have driven unique analytics strategies and have delivered tangible business impact to foster a data native culture in organizations. The award felicitates the real innovators and achievers of the analytics industry who are the driving force behind the growth of this field. The winners of the 40 Under 40 awards for the year 2021 are Abhishek Savalia. Abhishek is the practice lead data science at Maersk with more than 10 years of experience across finance, marketing, digital, pricing, partner, and sales. He currently manages AI enabled digitization initiatives for customer service, order handling platform, and capacity planning at Maersk. Apart from managing teams across data sciences research and advanced analytics domains, Abhishek provides thought leadership for startup accelerator Ocean Pro to help graduating startups contribute to Maersk's digital journey. He has won several awards and accolades in his career for his outstanding work and projects. Abhishek has filed 6 patents, 3 trade secrets, and has published 6 research papers in top peer-reviewed journals and conferences. Abhishek has an MTech from IIT Kanpur with majors in machine learning and is a gold medalist in BTech, which he completed from the University of Rajasthan. He is also a certified Microsoft data science practitioner and AI ML mentor at Great Learning.
Hi everyone, this is Abhishek, data science practice lead at Maersk. I'm really thankful to Analytics India magazine to recognize me as one of the recipients for 40 Under 40 Data Scientists 2021. It's a great honor, and definitely I'm thankful to my mentors and leaders from previous and current organization to provide me great path and always encourage me to attempt great problems in the data science world. So this is definitely a great gesture and coming at the right time when we are having this pandemic around. So it's really a great thing to motivate budding data scientists, at the same time recipients, to keep the motives and spirit high. Thank you team. Thank you very much.
Aditya Agarwal. Aditya is the Advanced Analytics Practice Lead at Abzuba. He has over 12 years of expertise in using quantitative data analysis with business understanding for enterprise decision making. He currently leads a team of more than 50 energetic data science professionals at Abzuba while solving interesting business problems using machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. Under his leadership at Abzuba, many organizations have automated routine tasks, reduced operational cost, boosted team productivity, and improved top line and bottom line revenues. Aditya has built solutions such as subrogation engine, price recommendation engine, IoT sensor, predictive maintenance, and many more. Aditya holds a BTech in textile technology and minor degree in business management from IIT Delhi. He has also undergone many analytics courses provided by platforms like Coursera, Udemy, etc.
Hello everyone, a very happy 2021 to all of you. I am feeling extremely honored receiving this prestigious award, 40 Under 40 Data Scientists. I feel lucky working with people who have inspired me and helped me in realizing the potential of our profession, which can truly make a difference. I would like to thank my mentor, Dr. Arnab Bose, who has been guiding me throughout the journey of my career. I would also like to thank my family, who has been giving me unconditional support at all times. And lastly, I would like to thank and salute to each member of my Abzuba family, and I'm looking forward to celebrate many more wins with them. I think as a data scientist, we all carry a responsibility to innovate new solutions that will bring efficiency, productivity, new capabilities, and ultimately deliver better lives for everyone. As such, I have started my career almost 15 years ago in data science, but I still believe that I am still learning, and it's just a start of my journey in data science. There are many milestones to achieve. Technology is changing so rapidly that we have to learn every day to cope up with the changing technology and update ourselves. And I'm learning every day at Abzuba, and want to thank everyone to give me all the support till now. Once again, thank you MLDS committee members for giving me this prestigious award, and I'm looking forward to interact with many of you coming in this conference in future again. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Aman Garg. Aman is the head of analytics at Vodafone Shared Services, where he leads the data science practice for local markets in Vodafone. Aman plays a pivotal role in setting up and establishing Advanced Analytics Center for Vodafone in shared services in Pune as part of the original team. Under his leadership, the team, which started with 3 members, is now 70 plus, who are supporting key business problems across marketing analytics, finance and fraud, and digital analytics. Aman works closely with Global Head of Data and Analytics, Country Head of Business, and CXO level executive in solving critical business problems. The analytics products developed by Aman and his team have delivered annual cumulative benefits of more than £20 million in value to businesses covering digital, CVM, and finance analytics. Aman has BTech in Electronics and Communications from NIT Allahabad, MBA in Strategy and Marketing from MBI Gurgaon, Executive Leadership Program in BSS Discover from London Business School, and CPBA in Data Science from ISB Hyderabad.
Hello everyone, my name is Aman Garg, currently with Vodafone Shared Services Voice as Head of Data Science for Markets. First of all, thanks to Analytics India magazine for the honor and the award of Top 40 Under 40 Data Scientists. Also, congratulations to all the award winners. More than a decade back, when I started in this field, it was at a nascent stage in terms of adoption. That time, there was limitations in terms of computation power, also in terms of access to tools and technologies, and also in terms of business appetite to data-driven insights. Today, all is different. AI is at core to most of the decisions that is happening across business. We in our organization currently use most advanced algorithms and cloud technology to work on some of the most complex business problems and help business across finance, marketing, HR, digital and other areas in solving some of the priority problems. Also, the way I see forward, the kind of development that is happening in the field of AI and in the parallel field of quantum computing, this field is going to be super exciting and fun in future.
Amit Sachin. Amit currently serves as the Head of Recommendation System at Reliance Jio AI Center of Excellence, where he creates a unified recommendation engine for Jio for a variety of applications in media, retail, healthcare, and news. Amit and his team have been instrumental in transforming various applications of the platform such as Jio News, Jio Cinema, Jio TV, Agio, among others. He is currently working on many interesting themes such as the role of knowledge graphs, reinforcement learning in real-life recommendation systems, and integrating technologies like NLP and computer vision extensively in the context of recommendation systems. His team's work on knowledge-centric recommendations engine is among one of the unique themes around India and the world. Before joining Reliance Jio, Amit has worked as the head of machine learning at Hotstar. Amit has a PhD in computer engineering from Nanyang Technological University, Singapore. He did BTech from IIT Dhanbad. Amit has published more than 10 research papers in top-ranked conferences and journals worldwide.
I would like to thank Analytics India magazine for honoring me with 40 Under 40 Data Scientist Award. It's a great honor to receive this award from such a prestigious magazine. On this occasion, I would also like to thank all my colleagues, friends and family members for their support throughout this journey. Finally, I would like to thank my current organization, Reliance Jio, for giving me an opportunity to build the unique and most interconnected systems in the world. Thank you.
Arul Francis. Arul is the engagement manager at Shell and has over 12 years of experience working in a range of organizations from startups to large organizations in their analytics function. At Shell, Arul has led and managed numerous engagements in data science in the Shell retail business. His earlier work on propensity and fraud at Bharat Matrimony has been recognized at NASSCOM and also has been awarded. He has led and transformed bootstrapped startups like Emix into a successful data science enterprise with solutions across data management, data visualization, and AI. Arul has a master's in econometrics.
Hello everyone, wishing you all a very happy new year, a very successful, healthy and a prosperous new year 2021. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the team at Analytics India Magazine for the award, first of all the nomination and then the award for 40 under 40 data scientists. It's indeed a pleasure and honor to be a part of such an illustrious group of 40 data scientists. So I would like to take this opportunity to also wish the other 40 congratulations on their nomination and selection as well. This is also an important opportunity to recognize the people who have played a very important role, starting with the family. I mean, I think that's one very important piece of this entire journey that we undertake, whether it's data science or any other stream that we're a part of, and all the mentors, guides who have actually allowed for opportunities, also ensuring that they've been able to guide, train, mentor at the right time, so that exactly what are the best ways to actually deal with problems and solve problems related to data. Having said that, this is an important opportunity to also talk about the fact that this gives a lot of encouragement to contribute to the community of data scientists in the coming year as well, and I look forward to doing that. In fact, I look forward to meeting some of you all, or all of you, possibly once the COVID is over, meeting with all of you, talking about the different problems that we can solve with data and create a better world for everyone. Having said that, thank you everyone, and once again I wish you all a wonderful year ahead and a very prosperous one, definitely with all the health and happiness. Thank you so much.
Ashish Kumar. Ashish is the Senior Director, AI Research at Reliance Jio Digital Services, GeoHaptic, where he builds innovative AI solutions for different GeoHaptic engagements. Ashish has a strong technical leadership in conversational AI products and has contributed to many NLP initiatives. He has architected chatbots that are deployed at all major banks in India. He has incubated and fostered state-of-the-art technology domains from scratch in many companies. Ashish is also a published author, inventor of more than half a dozen patents in conversational AI, and has an extensive know-how in conceptualizing and delivering innovations while building high-performance R&D teams. Ashish has BTech from VTU, EPBA from IIM Calcutta, and Masters in Management Studies from IIM Ahmedabad.
Hey guys, my name is Ashish Kumar. I work as a Senior Director of AI Research for Reliance GeoHaptic. I've been in the data science industry for more than 10 years now, primarily into natural language processing. I've headed AI research divisions for various organizations like Attune Consulting, IGP, Active.ai, GeoHaptic. I really feel humbled to be part of this wonderful cohort of well-accomplished data science practitioners and leaders. Personally, I attribute my success to all the challenging opportunities that I was lucky to have in data science at the initial stages of my career. And for the same reasons, I would like to reach out to all the fellow data science hiring managers and leaders to look beyond experience when we are hiring and provide opportunities to young data science professionals with the drive to learn and excel. Who knows, in the next 5 years, they would be receiving this award and accomplishments well beyond this as well. Once again, I would like to congratulate all the fellow winners and thank Analytics India Magazine team. You guys are doing a phenomenal job in making data science mainstream in India. Thank you.
Ashish Ranjan Singh. Ashish is the Vice President, Customer Engineering at Innovaser Analytics Private Limited. At Innovaser, Ashish is leading a team of more than 100 data analysts, data engineers, and data scientists driving a transformation for the healthcare domain. With a relentless focus on innovation, business value, and impact, Ashish helped InnovAcer build world-class technologies that have been recognized internally and externally. Prior to InnovAcer, Ashish has worked at Barclays as the head of Advanced Analytics Platform, where he developed a real-time analytics engine for targeted campaigns across the globe. He was also a key player in developing the first data and analytics product for Barclays called Smart Business Portal, which is heavily used by small businesses in the UK. Ashish has also developed multiple unsupervised and supervised models for customer segmentation and the next best action model to improve the overall profitability of the credit card division. Ashish has a bachelor's degree in computer science.
Hi everyone, this is Ashish Singh. Super excited to receive 40 Under 40 Data Scientist Award for 2021. Thank you very much Analytics India Magazine for all the appreciation and the acknowledgement. Thank you.
Bala Gangadhar Tilak Adi Boina. Bala is a senior member data science at Verizon. He has over 13 years of experience in conceptualizing and implementing many innovative AI solutions in areas such as self-optimizing network, dispatch analytics, 5G analytics, fraud analytics, and IoT analytics. For his innovations in implementing solutions at Verizon's network systems, he has filed 3 US patents in 2020. Bala's journey of data science started with his startup Fave Meal in 2008, a food delivery company where he developed a solution for food delivery optimization using Google Maps and Google Analytics. Bala has also previously worked with TCS, Gridlex, Global Data, and Data Monitor. Bala is currently pursuing PhD in Data Science from IIM Ranchi. Prior to that, he has completed the Advanced Management Program in Business Analytics from ISB. He also has PGD BM in Operations and Marketing from IPE and BTech in Electronics and Communications from JNTU, Hyderabad.
A very warm regards to you all. This is Balangadhar Tilak, currently working as data scientist with Verizon. I'm so honored to get selected as one of the top 40 data scientists under 40. I started my career in market research field and then I transformed myself into data scientist with the inspiration, motivation and extended support from my father Balayya, mother Lakshmi, brother Naveen Kumar and my wife Namrata Devi. I also would like to thank my team and leadership at Verizon for providing me an opportunity to work on most complex and unique business problems which helped us in meeting desired benefits and also yielded 3 patents in 2020. The uniqueness in building novel algorithms is all because of in-depth understanding of ML algorithms that are used, what are its strengths, limitations, mathematics behind it, and also the business requirements which helped us bringing enhanced model on the top of existing model. Further, I strongly believe that data science is one such field wherein skills and experience used in one domain can be extended to the other domain like healthcare for social good. For an instance, I used publicly available data sets for building models to assess the risk of COVID and predict diabetic retinopathy well in advance, which got recognized at different forums like MIT Build the Future Challenge. Yet it confirms data science is full of opportunity which can be extended to any other domain. So let's go on, grab it. Lastly, a special thank you to MLDS selection panel, organizers, promoters and Analytics India Magazine team for this great recognition.
Dipanshu Malhotra. Dipanshu is a hands-on analytics and data science leader and currently serves as the director at Swiggy. He has deep expertise in changing business landscape with data-driven intelligence across banking, FMCG and e-commerce domains. In his current role, Dipanshu leads a team of more than 40 members and is responsible for marketing, growth strategy and financial analytics for the food delivery business. Dipanshu has deep expertise across applied mathematics, optimization algorithms, supervised, unsupervised, and forecasting machine learning techniques. Coupled with strong technical expertise, Dipanshu is recognized for his strong business acumen. Over the years, Dipanshu has received multiple accolades and promotions. He set up the COVID business continuity team when the pandemic struck to spearhead much more sustainable growth than before. Dipanshu also quickly expanded the new business analytics team, which helped Swiggy stores, now Instamart, grow to 400 plus cities in just 2 months. Dipanshu has BTech in Civil Engineering from IIT Delhi, PGP in Strategy and Finance from ISB, and other certifications.
I'm very pleased to receive the 40 Under 40 Data Scientists Award 2021. I feel honored and humbled, and I would like to thank Analytics India magazine for this recognition. Over my career, I've had some great learning experiences at the organizations that I've worked for, such as HSBC, Accenture, Citi, and now at Swiggy. In my current role at Swiggy, I've got the best-in-class opportunity to work on some of the really complex and impactful problem statements, which have enabled me to grow as an analytics leader. I've had some excellent mentors and colleagues throughout my career, for which I'm extremely grateful. I'd like to thank my wonderful team at Swiggy for challenging me and helping me learn and grow every day. Last but not the least, I would like to thank my family for their encouragement, guidance, and never-ending support. Thank you.
Dipanjan Sarkar. Dipanjan is the data science lead at Applied Materials, where he heads the advanced analytics efforts around computer vision, natural language processing, and deep learning. He primarily works on leveraging machine learning and deep learning to build large-scale intelligence systems. Dipanjan is also a Google developer expert in machine learning and has advised and worked with several startups as well as Fortune 500 companies like Intel and open source organizations like Red Hat. Dipanjan is also a published author and has authored several books on R, Python, machine learning, natural language processing, and deep learning. He has mentored over 500 people in data science globally with diverse backgrounds ranging from fresh college grads to senior directors and VPs. Dipanjan has MTech with specialized focus in data science and software engineering from IIIT Bangalore, Executive Education Certification in AI Strategy from Northwestern University, and Executive Education Certification in Applied Machine Learning and Applied Data Science from Columbia University. Dipanjan is currently pursuing PGP in AI ML.
Hey everyone, Dipanjan here, and I'm extremely humbled and honored to be receiving the 40 Under 40 Data Scientists Award in 2021. Thanks a lot to Analytics India magazine for organizing this. I think Bhaskar and the team have been doing an exceptional job of evangelizing and democratizing data science, not just across India but across the globe. Thanks to all these global conferences and events like Machine Learning Developers Summit, Cypher, and so on. I think staying up to date in this field can be pretty challenging given the rapidly evolving technological landscape, especially in the field of data science and artificial intelligence. And I feel privileged and thankful to have worked with organizations like Intel, Applied Materials, Red Hat, where I was able to explore and solve a lot of diverse and challenging problems, which has definitely kept my skills sharp. And I also love sharing my knowledge and helping people as well as organizations to start their own journey in data science. And for that, I thank Google and the developer relations team for introducing me to the Google Developer Experts in Machine Learning program, which has enabled me to share my knowledge across more global platforms and reach out to a wider audience. And I would also like to thank some of the very wonderful and talented folks at Propulsion Academy and Springboard, because through them I've been able to help a lot of people as well as organizations to get started in their own journey in data science. Last but not the least, I would definitely want to thank all my family as well as well-wishers for supporting me throughout all these years. I think I have still a long way to go, and I'm definitely hoping for a wonderful 2021 and wishing the same to all of you. Thanks a lot, everyone.
Harsha Gurulingappa. Harsha is the text analytics lead scientist at Merck, a leading pharmaceutical and chemical company headquartered in Germany. One of his recent accomplishments is setting up an industrialized text mining system at Merck, which operates in a highly regulated GXP environment and is a rare accomplishment in the industry. This work by Harsha has been published in 2 peer-reviewed journals in Q4 of 2020, which is available online. He has also been responsible for establishing an enterprise business service for text analytics from scratch at Merck. Harsha has also authored more than 27 publications and book chapters demonstrating a variety of applications of text analytics in the end-to-end pharmaceutical business process. In his spare time, Harsha is a visiting faculty at universities and colleges to ensure that young graduates are guided about skills, opportunities, and career path in industries in the area of data science and artificial intelligence. Harsha has PhD in biomedical text mining, MSc in life science informatics from University of Bonn, and Bachelor of Engineering in Biotechnology from VTU, Karnataka.
Hello all, my name is Harsha. I'm representing Merck KGaA, which is a healthcare and a chemical company headquartered in Darmstadt in Germany. I play the role of a lead for text analytics, responsible to drive projects in the area of text mining and natural language processing. First of all, I would like to thank Analytics India magazine for choosing me for the award of 40 under 40 data scientists for this year. Also, I would like to congratulate the 39 remaining peers who received the same award for this year. And I would also like to congratulate the MLDS team for organizing the event this year with such a high spirit in spite of a pandemic. So thank you all and stay safe.
Hemant Palivela. Hemant is the head of AI and machine learning at eClerx Services. After spending nearly 7 years working with renowned organizations like NMI-MS and Aureus Analytics, he shifted to Center of Excellence Digital Analytics Division of eClerx, where he works on campaign analytics, speech processing, natural language understanding, and recommendation systems. His principal areas of interest with reference to theoretical frame include machine learning optimization, linear algebra, probability theory, insurance analytics, and recommendation systems. Hemant has published around 35 plus research papers in international conference and journals. He has PhD, BE, and MTech in computer science and engineering.
Hi all, I would really like to thank the Machine Learning Developer Summits 2021 to consider me as one of the top 40 data scientists in the year 2021. I would also like to thank eClerx for nourishing me and giving me good level use cases that I could solve in the past 3-4 years. And I've been working in voice analytics as well as I've been working in text analytics and lot of complex problems that I could not solve while I was into my PhD. I would also like to thank my parents who have helped me, nourished me and guided me across multiple parts of my life. For those who want to get into data science and want to become data scientists, what I would like to suggest all of you is keep your mathematics, statistics, business acumen, problem solving skills and slight programming skills to mark so that you will be able to go ahead and get into the market. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Indrajit Mandal. Indrajit is the head of data science at Tata Consultancy Services, where he is working as a part of business solution engineering and data services. In his career, Indrajit has worked across domains such as medical sciences, fintech industry, BPS, and analytics industry. While working in the fintech industry, he developed a data-driven AI platform for decision systems that automates business operations, bringing more scalability and improving revenue growth. While working in the IT domain, he developed cold start solutions in machine learning algorithms, some of which are patented as well. Indrajit holds PhD in medical science and healthcare domain. He is also a double gold medalist in machine learning research from National Design and Research Forum, Institution of Engineers. Indrajit has also authored and published more than 12 research articles in international peer-reviewed journals.
Hi everyone, I am Dr. Indrajit Mandal from Tata Consultancy Services. I work as part of data science team and currently I am engaged in several research and development projects. In TCS, I am part of several client projects and I am building products for TCS IT. My work have been published in several science, citation engineering journals across the globe. I have been awarded with Double Gold Medalist Award from Institution of Engineers for contribution to data science. I would like to thank the team of Analytics India magazine for providing me the opportunity to be a part of their family and their initiative and participate in 40 Under 40 Data Scientist Award 2021. It provides me a great motivation for constantly contributing to this domain of data science and add new contribution to the body of knowledge. I would like to thank once again to all the team members of Analytics India magazine for providing us with the right motivation and the thought process of contributing towards data science.
James McWan. James is the manager analytics at JSW Steel Limited. He has over 14 years of experience in delivering large-scale data analytics transformation programs across various industries and geographies. James has expertly led and managed the delivery of multiple data analytics and technology-agnostic business projects using agile and waterfall project delivery methodologies. In his current role, he has built data analytics platform and big data warehouse capabilities for real-time data analytics, ensuring an increased adoption of analytics by 45% in the year. He has carried out data migration from classic data warehouse to in-memory data warehouse without conversion tool. James has also developed the coal optimization model for energy, market intelligence model for steel industry, and more. James has a Bachelor of Engineering in Computers.
Ladies and gentlemen, wishing you a safe and healthy year 2021. Myself, James McWan, working as a manager analytics for JSW Group. It gives me an immense pleasure to deliver a vote of thanks for this remarkable honor of 40 Under 40 Data Scientist Award. Year 2020 was a very special year for every one of us. We all work very hard with the best of our abilities, and we have contributed to the digital journey for our organizations. We have actually realized the power of information technology and the benefit of information technology for this year. With this, I would like to thank all the jury members and Team Analytics India magazine for the wonderful opportunity and honor. I also like to thank my mentors, my seniors, my company JSW Group to provide me an opportunity to establish myself as an individual contributor in the area of analytics and data science. Kudos to all the participants and winners. Thank you so much.
Kamal Kumar. Kamal is the head of analytics and data engineering at Tata Click. He has a deep understanding of various facets of e-commerce business and is highly data-driven. Kamal has been responsible for setting up growth hacking, revenue and analytics teams at a couple of e-commerce firms. He has been responsible for delivering significant revenue growth in an extremely short time period by leveraging data science and analytics in areas like pricing, CRM and storefront optimizations. Kamal started off his analytics career by setting up agile teams to deliver cutting-edge analytics, data science and data engineering solutions across industry verticals spanning banking, logistics, offline retail and e-commerce. He has co-founded a management consulting and a product startup, led the consulting vertical and built the business to provide data-driven consulting services to clients. Kamal has Masters in Economics from Delhi School of Economics. He has published several articles in the economics journals.
Hi everyone. I would like to sincerely thank the staff of Analytics India magazine, the jury and Bhaskar for honoring me with this award of 40 under 40 data scientist. It's truly humbling to get this award, and thanks a lot guys. Like any success, there is a team present behind it and not an individual, and the same is true in my case. I would like to sincerely thank my organization Tata Click, my manager Vikas Purohit, who has put in unwavering faith in me and has always believed in me. He has pushed me and the analytics team to scale even greater heights at Tata Click. So he has been like constantly pushing us to embed machine learning in all the products, make all the products intelligible, and it's a journey that we'll scale together. So thanks Vikas for that. Thanks a lot. I would also like to thank my team at Tata Uni Store. They are a great bunch of people. The analytics team there like works non-stop, and irrespective of the constraints, they mostly deliver on all the promises. And thanks guys for putting in your faith in me and for working with me. It's been a true pleasure working with you guys, and every day I am like looking forward to come and execute things and plan things with you. You have been a great bunch of people. Thanks a lot for whatever you have done, and I am like really grateful and a lot of gratitude for you guys. Thanks a lot. And I would also like to mention my ex-boss and my mentor Murli, whose wisdom has helped me to reach where I am, and he has been a source of guiding light for me, and I'm really thankful to him. So thank you Murli. I would also like to mention a couple of folks from my last company, Noon, Faraz Bhai, Maya, Neha. They have truly told me what's the meaning of true hustle and energy. So their energy is infectious. I have learned to work like 24/7 cross 7, like without cribbing, and they have brought in a culture in which like I would say I enjoyed a lot. And it's like how do you work like non-stop and you just walk to your home to sleep? It was like an amazing experience, and because of that I think my work ethics got even stronger. So thanks Faraz Bhai, thanks Maya, thanks Neha. I would also like to thank my parents, my wife Bhumika, her parents. They have been a source of constant motivation for me. They have put in a lot of faith and belief in me, and they have given me the freedom to work on stuff that I want to. They have been a source of motivation and energy for me to put in this kind of effort day on day, and watching them smiling, watching smile on their face is what motivates me to push harder every day. So thanks everyone. Thank you.
Karthik Patel. Karthik is the head Insurance Analytics and Products at TransUnion CIBIL. He has over 12 years of experience in leading complex data science and actuarial science assignments for clients across India, North America, Europe, Middle East and Southeast Asia. At TransUnion CIBIL, Karthik is leading Insurance Analytics and Products team working on innovative applications of credit data of more than 400 million individuals in solving critical challenges of the Indian insurance industry. Prior to this, he has led the insurance analytics team at LexisNexis, working on industry-level contributory databases of more than 100 million policies of life, auto and health insurance. He has also led fraud analytics projects at Ayushman Bharat and General Insurance Council of India. He has also worked with EXA and EXL on consulting assignments in actuarial science, data science and embedded analytics for insurance operations. Karthik has authored and presented a research paper on machine learning in rare insurance events at Indian Institute of Science. He is also associated with National Insurance Academy in training insurance professionals on insurance analytics. Karthik has an MBA in insurance from National Insurance Academy. He also cleared 9 actuarial science papers from Society of Actuaries and Casualty Actuarial Society.
Hi everyone, hope you are keeping safe. A special thanks to Analytics India for giving me this recognition, and more importantly, a special thanks to Analytics India team for relentlessly working on building this kind of an ecosystem for data science and artificial intelligence field in India. You guys have been doing a great job. So thank you very much for that. Bye-bye and cheers.
Kiran Rokam. Kiran is the Director, Data Science at Tiger Analytics and heads the Innovation Lab. He has been responsible for bringing several cutting-edge innovations in data science automation, which are helping drive the next phase of growth for the company. Kiran is a data science and machine learning architect who has led several project teams at Tiger, providing technical advisory to its clientele. He has over 12 years of experience in designing and developing data science solutions for numerous Fortune 500 companies across multiple industries and problem settings. In his career, Kiran has developed solutions in customer analytics, marketing analytics, operations planning, pricing, risk, etc. He has worked with a broad spectrum of data science techniques ranging from classic econometric modeling to the latest in deep learning and NLP. Kiran has BTech in Electrical Engineering from IIT Madras.
Hi, I'm deeply humbled having it made to the 40 Under 40 Data Scientist Initiative by Analytics India magazine. To be recognized among the pioneers in this industry is an absolute honor. I want to thank Analytics India magazine jury for this recognition. I also want to thank my company, Tiger Analytics, for not only the support and encouragement, but also providing me with most complex and diverse problems out there. I owe a large part of my success to my mentors and my team at Tiger. It would be incomplete if I don't thank my friends, family, and teachers for all the love and support and the sacrifices they made for me. One of the key success factors I recognized in this industry is not just building accurate models, but building models that are usable and that provide the right business value to all the stakeholders. Thank you, Analytics India magazine, for this recognition.
Lavi Nigam. Lavi is the data scientist at Gartner. In his career spanning 8 years, he has worked with clients like Boeing, Nokia, Fujitsu, Intel, and other Fortune 100 companies in their machine learning and deep learning deployments. At Gartner, he is developing MLOps practices to produce auto-deployable models to streamline and improve data quality. At Boeing, he helped productionize NLP models to work across multiple locations across the globe and reduce manual effort by almost 2 months. At Nokia, he updated their tower anomaly systems with deep learning algorithms and operationalizing AutoDL production systems, which reduce error by 76% month by month. He has also been teaching and mentoring professionals across the world in the field of AI and has made possible the transition of more than 3,000 professionals in this field. He has also worked with IITs and NITs as subject matter expert to design industry-relevant courses for AI. Lavi has BTech in Information Technology from Amity University and Professional Machine Learning Certificate from Insofi.
Hi, this is Lavi Nigam, data scientist at Gartner. I've been into data science from early days back in 2014 after graduating from Insofi. I have worked with companies like HCL Research, Nokia, Boeing, Fujitsu, and various others in building their end-to-end MLDL products. Currently, at Gartner, we are working on solving the data problem at an organizational level that has a huge impact across internal businesses using machine learning, NLP, and DL algorithms. Being at Gartner, we do what we preach to world best organizations and thus heavily focus on model operations, MLOps, and making sure our efforts as a team are quickly deployed and consumed across the company. Now, I would like to thank Analytics India magazine for conferring this year's 40 Under 40 Data Scientist Award. It's an absolute pleasure to be selected and be recognized for all the hard work and contributions done as part of being in the industry. I would also like to congratulate all the fellow winners and hope we all become great torch bearers for the coming generations of data scientists in India, as the coming decade is going to be transformational because of AI, and we will all be part of that journey. I would also like to mention the great support of my family, close friends, and colleagues over the years to help me reach here, and their blessings and my hard work will help me continue to grow and be instrumental in the decade of AI. Thank you to all the team members and folks from Analytics India magazine for hosting and making such amazing events for knowledge-hungry folks of data science. Thanks a lot.
Manikandan Jiva. Manikandan is the Assistant Vice President at Genpact. He has over 15 years of experience in pharmaceutical and healthcare analytics. Manikandan is the Assistant Vice President, Data Science at Genpact. He has over 15 years of experience in pharmaceutical and healthcare analytical and consulting across functions such as commercial analytics, clinical trial analytics, and supply chain analytics. Manikandan has delivered many key projects with high accuracy, which have made direct business impact in decision making in organizations. Manikandan is an experienced project manager in handling substantial business intelligence and analytics projects and has carried out projects in cloud transition, marketing model mix, neural network implementation for data quality system, public data mining and integration for brand insights, among others. Manikandan has BE in Electronics and Communications from Anna University and has completed SAS Enterprise Minor 5.2 and 6 in 2010.
Hi, I'm Manikandan Jiva, part of CGRLH Analytics, Genpact. First of all, I would like to thank Genpact leadership team for nominating me for this prestigious award, and Analytics Magazine India for selecting me to be part of this list for 2021. I'm really honored and humbled to receive this award. With AI and ML, data science, big data and cloud computing leading the way in enabling core business decisions with accurate insights and recommendation, this is a very interesting time to be part of the data science community. Thanks again.
Mihir Punjabi. Mihir is the Solutions Director Architect, Edge Intelligence at Capgemini, who is passionate about solving customers' business problems. Mihir is an Edge Intelligence and AI evangelist, currently responsible for AI solutions across digital engineering and manufacturing services group, along with supporting AI solutions across Capgemini. With over 17 years of experience in product development and business development across storage, building automation, and embedded domains, Mihir has led several projects across domains. He is a thought leader who has presented at various industry forums and events. Mihir has BE in Information Technology from Tadomal Shahani Engineering College, Mumbai, and 1-year Executive Management Education Program from IIM-K. Mihir is also an IBM Certified Watson Application Developer, ThinkWorks IoT Platform Certified from PTC University, and Capgemini Certified Architect Level 1.
Hello everyone, I am Mihir Punjabi. I am an AI Solutions Architect at Capgemini. I would like to thank Analytics India magazine for this great honor and recognition. I would also like to thank my team, my mentors, colleagues, and my family for their continued support. I believe all of us are very fortunate to be part of this exciting, intelligent industry era. We are already living in a cobot environment where we continuously and extensively collaborate with what I like to call AI-enabled static robots. Those are smartphones and smart appliances. I believe the need of the hour is to build innovative AI solutions to empower businesses and human life. I would like to share a simple EEE mantra that I have been following. It's explore, experiment, and enjoy. In the end, I would like to say the time is now, and the decisions that we make today will help us build the future that we want. Thank you.
Muthumari S. Muthumari is the Associate Director Analytics at Brilio Technologies. She heads the Data Science COE and specializes in delivering AI/ML use cases at scale across customer, product, marketing analytics, NLP, and vision analytics. In her current role, she works with CXOs to help them make accurate data-driven decisions as well as solve ambiguous problems involving unstructured text, image, and machine-generated data with tangible business impact. She works as a thought leader and people leader, helping build data science talent and capabilities within Brilio. Muthu has evangelized AI/ML with at least 10 Fortune 100 accounts across technology, telecom, and media industries. She is also a pioneer in video analytics with patents in the field. Muthu holds a bachelor's degree in engineering from College of Engineering Guindy, Anna University.
I'm honored and humbled to have received this recognition, 40 under 40 data scientists. Thanks to Analytics India magazine for making MLDS 2021 happen despite all the pandemic challenges. This year will go down in history as it was drastically shaped by a virus that had infected more than 40 million people worldwide. We learned that uncertainty would be a significant hallmark of a post-COVID world, exposing the uncomfortable truth about the model drift and data drifts, where the accuracy of models suffered from consumer behavior changes and how the businesses had to operate. As AI gains more influence over many people's lives, we as data scientists have an essential role to bringing in AI humility and building trustworthy, responsible, and unbiased solutions for a better future. I would like to thank Brilio for giving me an opportunity to learn and grow in this space.
Mithili Krishnan. Mithili is the Vice President, Analytics Advisory, Senior Manager at Accenture. She has more than 14 years of experience in various areas of analytics, data science and AI, including credit risk management, marketing analytics, infrastructure services and retail analytics. She is an accomplished leader in conceiving and articulating analytics strategy, roadmap and new forward-looking solutions with cross-functional impact across regions. Mithili has built teams and analytical practices from the ground level and has contributed to the strategic vision of the organization with speed and agility. She has in-depth knowledge in statistical modeling, econometrics, and data science, along with diverse experience in various banking products like credit cards, debit cards, personal loans, wholesale mortgage loans, and secured installment loans. Mithili holds an MA in Economics from Delhi School of Economics and is also an alumnus of Presidency College, University of Calcutta. Her unique solutions have been converted into patents and internationally acclaimed research papers.
Hello everyone, a warm welcome to all of you. I am Mithili Krishnan. So who doesn't like awards? Awards bear testimony to the hard work that we have put in for so many years. And especially an award like the 40 under 40 data scientist is like a dream. It is one of the most coveted titles for any data scientist. I feel really honored and humbled to receive this award this year. And I have been working in the analytics and data science domain for many years now. And this is one award which I will hold really dear to my heart. I would like to thank the Analytics India magazine for giving me this opportunity. And I feel really happy and excited to be part of this momentous event of the Machine Learning Developer Summit 2021. Thank you everyone.
Nitin Agarwal. Nitin is the Technical PM, Cloud AI at Google and is responsible for designing AI solutions and products for Google's strategic enterprise customers. He has over 9 years of industry experience in deep learning, data science, business analytics, management consulting, product management, and software development. Nitin has worn many hats during his stint of professional career, such as consultant, product manager, team lead, analyst, innovation expert, software engineer, and technical document writer. With his diverse technical and managerial capabilities along with the past experience, Nitin can navigate through complex challenges with ease. He loves automating things using AI/ML and finds mathematics and data science fun to work with. Nitin has BTech from CITM Faridabad, MBA from IIT Kanpur, and 1-year executive leadership program from Stanford Graduate School of Business. He is also a professional data engineer in Google Cloud.
Thank you so much to Analytics India magazine for this 40 under 40 Data Scientist Award. I'm humbled to get this recognition from you. It feels great to be recognized for the contribution I have made to my field. I'm a big fan of your posts and your material. Keep up the great work. Thank you once again.
Nitish Palaparthi. Nitish is the business analytics specialist at Microsoft. He has over 10 years of experience across multiple divergent domains like FMCG, pharmaceuticals, banking, and e-commerce. He has been playing a vital role in the successful execution of data science projects and providing key strategic insights to the business. Nitish has worked on NLP, multi-class models, label classification, and regression cases. He built and deployed predictive marketing mix and forecasting models and conducted enormous research by comparing on-prem, cloud, and AutoML models. Despite coming from an MBA background, he has established himself as a data science leader who can tackle end-to-end project execution and add significant value to the business. Currently, he is building a recommender system for Microsoft Cloud which would upsell and cross-sell cloud workloads and recommend consulting services to enhance cloud consumption. Nitish has MBA, PGDM from IIM Ahmedabad and BTech from IIT Madras.
Hi everyone. Firstly, I would like to thank Analytics India Magazine. Thank you so much Analytics India Magazine for bestowing such an honor upon me. I feel humbled to receive 40 under 40 Data Scientist Award. I feel more motivated and determined than ever. The field of data science has been constantly evolving and it's like a revolution. And we need to enhance our learning paths time to time and stay more focused. Imagine the impact we can create collectively to improve the quality of human lives. I would like to thank my colleagues from whom I have learned a great deal of things and for their constant guidance, encouragement and support. Their contributions to my success at work will forever remain in my heart. Lastly, I would like to thank my family who have never lost faith in me and have helped me to perform my duties diligently. Thank you so much.
Parikshit Nag. Parikshit is the country manager data science at Hindustan Unilever Limited where he spearheads the data science initiatives. He has been responsible for developing some key data science products which help augment human intelligence with AI and ML. Amongst others, Parikshit has developed a multi-horizon automated forecasting engine which is currently in use across various business functions. He has a patent pending for this product. Parikshit has a degree in economics from Delhi University. He is also an active data science hacker and is passionate about football and cricket.
Hi everyone, hope all of you are keeping safe. I'd like to thank the team of Analytics India for considering me worthy of this award. It's a great initiative to recognize young leaders driving the adoption of data science and AI in today's world across various different businesses. I hope this conference motivates more youngsters to choose a career path in data science. For me, it's a truly humbling experience and this would not have been possible without the support of all of my managers, present and past, and mentors who have shaped my career since day one. Without them, I wouldn't have been here. Thank you all and stay safe.
Piyush Gupta. Piyush is the head of intelligence at PayU Finance India Private Limited. He has been instrumental in developing the credit risk, fraud, collections allocation, and sales propensity model that have been fundamental to manage risk and attract customers at PayU Finance. Piyush has also developed the next generation data analytics platform at PayU Finance that can serve the needs of the business for quick experimentation, real-time location-based marketing, and sales. Under his guidance, the data science team also developed NLP chatbots that can be used for seamless customer onboarding as well as respond to customer queries, thus reducing the dependency on CS agents. Piyush was also part of the team that developed a novel in-house solution for the identification of first-party fraud in Citi. Piyush has completed his PhD from the University of Illinois in computational science and engineering. His interest lies in solving seemingly difficult problems using mathematics, statistics, and large-scale computing. He has been awarded and nominated for multiple research grants and prizes.
Thank you to Analytics India Magazine for the recognition, and a big thanks to my team without whom it would not be possible. Thanks again.
Pooja Agarwal. Pooja is the advisory research scientist at IBM Research India. Her current research focuses on infusing artificial intelligence into IT technical service processes. She has led the design and implementation of advanced prototypes as well as production-ready features such as action recommendation, event grouping, and fault localization. Pooja designed and developed the Cognitive Question Quality Improvement System, a platform for automating enterprise after-sales support systems with novel features such as semantic parse annotators, which is now commercially available for clients. She also played a key role in deploying the system in Kubernetes environment. Pooja has mentored many interns, delivered internal and external technical talks, and has served as a program committee member in some of the reputed peer-reviewed conferences. Pooja has published 16 papers in prestigious conferences and journals in the area of text analytics, parallel computing, conversational systems, software engineering, and more. Pooja is a PhD in computer science and engineering from IIT Delhi and did her bachelor's in information technology from PEC University of Technology, Chandigarh.
Hello, I'm Dr. Pooja from IBM Research India. I'm really honored to have received this award. It feels great to see our work getting recognized at national level platform. Data analytics is something that I picked up after joining IBM, and therefore I would like to specially thank my colleagues and my seniors for their guidance and giving me opportunity to work at industrial level problems. And I would especially like to thank my family for their never-ending support at every level. Thanks again Analytics India magazine for considering me for this prestigious honor.
Sandeep ARIL. Sandeep is the head of machine learning and quantitative analytics at Credit Suisse. He has over 10 years of experience building artificial intelligence and machine learning solutions in the financial sector. Sandeep is also one of the pioneers of using AI/ML in the field of alternative data, formerly at the esteemed UBS Evidence Lab and currently at Credit Suisse. He leads a team of ML researchers who work in the areas like geospatial analytics, natural language processing, graph analytics, and pattern mining. He leads the machine learning practice to build innovative solutions across alternative data, sustainability, and other sales and trading functions. He has Masters of Science, Machine Learning and Data Analytics from Carnegie Mellon University and BTech Computer Science from Kerala University.
Thank you Analytics India for this award. I'm extremely honored to have made the list this year. Data-driven decisions are a large part of our life today. We rely on data to make a wide variety of decisions, starting from simple decisions like what kind of social media do we consume, what kind of products do we buy off the internet, what kind of restaurants do we want to eat at, to more complex things like we rely on voice assistants, we have autonomous vehicles today, or smart homes today, and also like a large part of our healthcare data is now available for advanced analytics. The part artificial intelligence and machine learning plays in these data-driven decisions is becoming increasingly large. We're no longer talking about like running some descriptive analytics. We are talking about AI-driven models driving business decisions. This brings to the front that there is also a very large community of AI/ML researchers and practitioners. I expect this community to grow exponentially in the next several years. I'm extremely happy to see organizations like Analytics India magazine create forums where AI/ML researchers, practitioners, data scientists, data engineers, they're all able to come together and share the various disruptions that they've created in their sectors, and multiple sectors are able to like learn from the other sectors. So I'm extremely happy again to have been considered for the award this year. Thank you again, Analytics India magazine.
Sanjay Shukla. Sanjay is the Director, Data Science, Media and Customer Engagement at dunnhumby. With more than a decade experience in customer-led advanced analytics and predictive science, he is passionate about building innovative AI and machine learning solutions to provide actionable insights, highly relevant product recommendations, and media measurement, resulting in improved customer experiences in retail. With his unparalleled R&D skills in data science and engineering, Sanjay has led development and deployment of multiple advanced and scalable ML-based solutions that delivered tangible and significant value to clients. Sanjay has an MS in Industrial and Systems Engineering from the University of Texas. He has published multiple research papers on optimization and machine learning approaches in peer-reviewed journals.
Hello everyone, I am Sanjay Shukla from Denambi. Here I am leading customer engagement and media research data science team. It's an honor for me to receive this prestigious award and being part of 40 under 40 Data Scientist Club. I am deeply thankful to MLDS organizers and the jury who selected me for this award and recognized my work. I would like to thank the Denambi leadership for all the opportunities that they have given. I would also like to thank all my mentors who always challenged me and encouraged me to keep innovating and keep pushing the boundaries. I think innovation is the key in harnessing the power of data, science and technology. When these three come together seamlessly at scale, then real power of AI gets unleashed. With doing this very effectively in Denambi, we are positively impacting the lives of over 2 billion people across the globe and improving their shopping experiences by personalizing this. And I am very proud doing this. Last but not the least, I would like to thank my parents for their encouragement and for being pillars of my strength. I would like to thank my wife for her never-ending support. Thank you.
Satyen Abrol. Satyen is the principal research scientist at Rakuten, India. He has over 12 years of experience in user personalization, local mining and online social networks. Prior to joining Rakuten, Satyen has worked in Samsung and VMware. At Rakuten, he leads 2 teams across departments, research and applied data science. The research team is building a customer social graph to understand the relationship between Rakuten users, products and businesses. The social graph improves Rakuten's customer understanding and will be used for downstream tasks like marketing campaigns and recommendations across businesses such as e-commerce, mobile and fintech. On the other hand, the applied sciences team is building a framework to help marketers achieve business objectives by recommending right users, right channel, right time and the right incentive for targeting. The current focus is on cross-service user acquisition, reactivation, retention, and churn prevention for various Rakuten services. Satyen holds a PhD in computer science from the University of Texas. He has authored 10 conference journal papers, 3 patents, and also co-authored a book.
Hello all. I would like to thank the jury members at Analytics India magazine for this recognition. We all have witnessed the rapid growth and adoption of data science across organizations. Data science is no longer a good to have technology, but has now become something which is a must-have for all businesses. In my opinion, there are 2 key functions of a good data scientist. One is to understand the business requirements and the KPIs, and second is to map these requirements to science problems and algorithms. Understanding both business and science equally is what will drive strong outcomes for data science. I would like to congratulate the other members of the 40 under 40 Data Science Award, and I look forward to working in this exciting field of data science in the upcoming years.
Shayanti Bhattacharya. Shayanti is a senior manager at Ugam, a Merkle company where she leads analytics for Fortune 500 companies across industries such as retail and consumer brands and e-commerce, helping various business functions drive impact and ROI and institutionalize analytics practices at scale. Besides Ugam, Shayanti's career spans analytics organizations like Symphony Marketing Solutions and Fractal Analytics. At Ugam, Shayanti has designed and set up the framework for scale deliveries on analytics services and solutions. Her consumer sentiment analysis solution is used by product engineering, quality and brands team for addressing product development, innovation and product improvements in various categories. Over her 14-year career in data science and analytics, Shayanti has delivered substantial business impact and demonstrated successful analytics adoption and advancement. Shayanti has Masters of Arts Economics from Mumbai University and Bachelors of Arts Economics from St. Xavier's, Mumbai, India.
Hello everyone, this is Shayanti from Ugam. I hope everyone's enjoying the conference and learning a lot. I'm deeply honored and humbled at receiving this award. My journey into analytics has been self-fulfilling, but obviously an award like this makes it worthwhile. I would like to thank Analytics India magazine and its panel for considering my selection and awarding me this prestigious honor. I would also like to thank Ugam, my employer, for deeming my nomination fit for the selection. My gratitude also extends to my previous employers, Symphony, a part of Genpact now, and Fractal, for giving me the opportunities to shape my career. This journey into analytics has not been just mine. I've had many people who have contributed to it, some as leaders who have guided my way forward, some as peers who have partnered me, and some as team members who have been the reason to continue to excel, learn, and set example for. Thank you so much for setting me up for success. Finally, my vote of thanks would not be complete without recognizing my family, the wind beneath my wings. Mom, dad, sis, you guys have been there for me. Thank you for your support, your guidance, and just for being there for me all times. Thank you everyone. Enjoy the evening and continue learning.
Sharmishtha Chatterjee. Sharmishtha is the Senior Manager, Data Sciences at Publicis Sapient. She currently leads the digital transformation of clients across industry verticals ranging from media, travel and hospitality, advertising, IoT and telecom. She has proven experience in AI research and implementing scalable AI solutions for enterprises. Sharmishtha is an active blogger and an international speaker at various tech conferences. She has filed 5 US patents and published in international conferences and journals. She is also a Google developer expert in the field of machine learning. She enjoys mentoring and teaching others to help them grow. She has also launched a platform, techairesearch.com, to share blogs that has been cited and featured by Google Developer Group and Oxford AI Course Director. Sharmishtha has a BTech in IT from Institute of Engineering and Management, West Bengal University of Technology, MS in Computer Science and Engineering from Aalto University, Helsinki, Finland.
Hello everyone. It feels absolutely fantastic to be recipient of 40 Under 40 Data Science Awards by Analytics India magazine. Thanks to Analytics India magazine for bringing out top data science leaders and continuously encouraging them to excel in this field. As we all know, 2020 has been a great challenging year for all of us. But in spite of that, I received a lot of support and guidance to excel in my professional life. 2020 has been great as I started to become a Google developer expert in the field of machine learning. I also contributed in different blogging platforms and started speaking in different national and international conferences. Nothing would have been possible without support of an organization like Publicis Sapient, where great leaders and managers and even the top leadership of the organization continuously encouraged me to take up challenging projects outside my day-to-day work and deliver them with top quality. I am blessed to be working in such an environment which helps to improve the life of the clients, as well as helps and provides a supportive work environment to everyone. In addition, I am thankful to all my friends, family, mentors and guides who have continuously encouraged me to think beyond, take up extra miles and achieve my goals and objectives. I am blessed to have my parents who have always encouraged me right from my childhood, and my most supportive and an extraordinary spouse who made everything possible with an infant and a toddler. Thank you everyone.
Shrutendra Harsola. Shrutendra is the Senior Machine Learning Scientist at Intuit India. He has a strong background in statistics, machine learning and natural language processing. In his current role, he leads the AI track in the area of growth and retention for QBO Advanced, a cloud-based accounting solution for growing small to mid-sized businesses. Shrutendra is responsible for taking AI ideas from conceptualization to production, driving significant customer benefit in collaboration with multiple stakeholders. Prior to that, he was a part of Microsoft Bing Ads team, where he worked on developing machine learning models for search query reformulation, query ad relevance, and semantic matching of text ads with search query. He also owned the semantic matching for dynamic search ads with successful launch in EMEA markets. Shrutendra has BTech in Computer Science from NIT Bhopal, where he was a gold medalist, and Masters in Machine Learning from ISC Bangalore.
Thank you Analytics India for recognizing my work and honoring me with this award. Machine learning space has grown significantly in India over the past decade. and I have been fortunate enough to be able to contribute to this growing space. I look forward to keep contributing to the machine learning ecosystem in India over the next decade as well. Thank you.
Suguna Jairaj. Suguna is the Senior Manager, Predictive Modeling at AIG Analytics and Services Private Limited. She has deep expertise in pricing and rating for the PNC insurance as well as in credit risk rating for banking products, for cards, wholesale lending, etc. In the current role, she leads the predictive modeling capability for the general insurance products at AIG. Suguna has built a team to support the actuarial pricing and portfolio management. Most of the work has been around improving the performance of the actuarial unit by adding granularity of the pricing framework, increasing the underwriting process efficiency, and building competitive strategies. Suguna brought a lot of improvements in risk selection by integrating machine learning approaches into the traditional GLM system of pricing. She has proven her expertise in pricing and was able to expand the horizon for the team and be able to work on use cases for non-actuarial functions like marketing, claims team, etc. Some of the key outputs have been recommendation algorithms for cross-selling, customer retention score, competitive strategies, and claims workshop scorecard. Suguna has MTech in Geotechnical Engineering from IIT Delhi and has many certified courses in deep learning and machine learning.
Hi everyone, this is Suguna here. I'm a senior manager at AIG, leading the predictive modeling practices for GI Actuarial. I feel honored to be featured as top 40 under 40 data scientists by Analytics India magazine. It indeed is a big milestone in my career, and I owe it not only to AIG for providing me the opportunity, but also to HSBC, American Express, and Mu Sigma for amazing colleagues and managers who helped me shape to who I am today. When I started my analytics career 12 years back, the industry network was really small. And thanks to Analytics India magazine and team for creating this platform for professionals to network and exchange ideas. Honestly, I feel lucky to be a part of this ever-evolving industry where we started out with math and stat-based algorithms and today graduated to artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. Last but not the least, I would like to thank my husband, my 5-year-old daughter, and my parents for supporting me throughout. Thank you.
Sumit Bhatia. Sumit is a senior research scientist at IBM Research India. He has been the co-architect of IBM Expressive Reasoning Graph Store, a first-of-its-kind graph-based reasoning platform that supports both property graphs and RDF graphs.
Hi, this is Sumit Bhatia. I'm a senior researcher at IBM Research India. First of all, I would like to thank the committee of judges and the Analytics India magazine for this honor. It's a great feeling to be recognized by the community for the work I have been doing. I would like to thank the awesome colleagues I have at IBM and my mentors, my managers, and the senior leadership who gave me the freedom to pursue my research interest and a lot of opportunities to apply my learnings to real life problems that have resulted in great business impact. So I'm really thankful to them, and I would also like to thank my family as they have been my pillar of support, without which I could not have achieved what I have done today. So really fortunate and really thankful and really grateful for this honor and look forward to contributing to the community in the coming years. Thank you.
Swapnil Srivastav. Swapnil is the Vice President and Global Head of Analytics at EvalueServe. He has more than a decade of experience in leading end-to-end design and development of sophisticated analytics solutions for organizations across diverse industry segments including retail and CPG, industrial goods, logistics, technology, BFSI, and others. In his current role, Swapnil heads the analytics practice at EvalueServe, where he works with clients to help them build analytics capabilities that enable successful business outcomes. He has built a multidisciplinary team of domain SMEs, data architects, data engineers, data scientists, and technology experts, making EvalueServe an end-to-end analytics partner for its clients. Swapnil, as a principal consultant, has developed several analytics frameworks for EvalueServe and its Fortune 500 clients. These include enterprise-level frameworks such as Analytics Maturity Assessment, Data and Analytics Strategy Alignment, demystifying digital transformation journey, analytics ROI, etc. Swapnil has MBA in International Business from Amity University, Management of Business Finance from Indian Institute of Finance, and BE Electrical from Bhilai Institute of Technology.
Hello all, I'm Swapnil Srivastav and I'm the Global Head of Analytics at Evalueserve. I'm grateful to Evalueserve for having nominated me for this award. It's a great honor to receive this prestigious 40 Under 40 Data Scientist Award, and I would like to thank Analytics India magazine for the same. This award is a milestone in my journey in the industry, and I would like to share this award first with my family for their unwavering love and support throughout. I would like to thank Evalueserve CEO, Mr. Ravi Mehrotra, for all his leadership, mentoring, inspiration, and also the entire senior leadership team at Evalueserve for all their support. Of course, my talented colleagues, especially our Head of Operations, Vishwanath Chaudhary, and all my team members for all the hard work they've put in to meet any kind of challenge. So Analytics India magazine and Bhaskar Gupta, thanks so much for creating this wonderful platform for the larger analytics community, especially because it recognizes analytics professionals for all the innovative work that they are doing. Thank you all, and stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.
Swapnil Tambi. Swapnil is the Director AI and ML at BNY Mellon. He has extensive experience in modeling and analytics and brings in global experience in the field. A strong problem solver and team leader, he is known for bringing strategic thinking and business problems which helps in making solutions a reality. He and his team have utilized various AI/ML techniques to solve business challenges in an easy manner. In one of his key works, he was successful in building an underwriting model using artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques to price and score risk on a real-time basis for workers. Swapnil has worked around activities such as hypothesis generation, data wrangling, feature engineering, classification, model building, model validation, and more. Swapnil has an MBA from Ohio State University. He has published several white papers within the organization and has also filed various patents under his name.
Hello everyone, I'm deeply honored to receive 40 Under 40 Data Scientist Award. Thank you very much everyone. I would like to thank the jury and the entire team of Analytics India magazine. You guys have been doing a fantastic job of championing and promoting analytics ecosystem. I'd also like to thank my family and my colleagues without whom I wouldn't be here. I just want to say sometimes it's easy to not appreciate what you have. Growing up, I always loved analytics and fortunately became good at it. But there were a couple of times in my career when I tried to move away from it. And I say tried because before I knew it, I was back into it. I'm glad I did. Data science as a field has added tremendous value around us and improved everyone's lives, and I feel very fortunate and grateful to be part of this field to be able to continue doing just that. So thank you again everyone.
Bartul Mittal. Bartul is the practice leader, Advanced Analytics and AI at Wipro Limited. As a leading technology and innovation specialist and a distinguished digital transformation leader, he has brought about many interesting developments in the space of advanced analytics, intelligent automation, and multi-cloud adoption. He has 14 plus years of strong global business transformation experience in management consulting with key focus on artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data engineering across BFSI sector, healthcare industry, customer services transformation, and F&A domain. He has played the pivotal role of Program Director, COE Lead, and Practice Lead at his stints with IBM and Barclays, ensuring end-to-end conceptualization, development, and deployment of multiple enterprise-wide solutions that leverage these new-age technologies. He has been instrumental in creating a framework in AI and ML on a system and method for data validation using predictive modeling and OCR. Vartul has MBA Finance and Business Analytics from SCM HRD Pune, BTech from College of Engineering, Roorkee.
Hi everyone. It is interesting to see how AI and machine learning use cases are evolving in the time of COVID-19 and paving the way to the new normal. It is indeed an honor to be one of the recipients of 40 Under 40 Data Scientist Award, and I feel incredibly humbled and grateful to receive it. I first of all would like to thank the jury of the summit for recognizing me for this prestigious award. Also, I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the winners of Top 40 Under 40 Data Scientist Award at the annual Machine Learning Developers Summit. I always had a wonderful experience with companies where I worked, where I had extended myself in terms of different roles I have played in artificial intelligence, in machine learning, in analytics, and I also had a chance to have excellent mentors, supportive leadership and supportive colleagues, all throughout, for which I am really thankful. I truly applaud the efforts of the entire team of Analytics India magazine for their impressive efforts, initiatives taken over the past several years to democratize analytics and artificial intelligence in our country. These efforts and their initiatives have really motivated me to gun for this award, not only by sharing my success stories on using AI and ML to solve business problems, but also by motivating me to pursue my personal mission to bring more adoption of AI and ML across industries. I do hope that this conference will inspire more leaders and they will come forward, as I thank Analytics India magazine for putting up a great summit once again. Thank you.
Vibhu Srivastava. Vibhu is the Assistant Vice President, AI Works at Max Life Insurance. He specializes in understanding critical business problems and developing and implementing AI solutions across the business value chain, leveraging all kinds of AI techniques such as machine learning, deep learning, and NLP using structured and unstructured data. Prior to this, he has worked as a senior consultant for analytics consulting practice at Cognizant, leading marketing to delivery of AI and data science solutions. Vibhu has been instrumental in carving the AI Works team along with building a brand for Max Life across external forums. He is a unique blend of strong hands-on technical expertise with business acumen, which is a key differentiator to make applied AI a success. As an AI leader, Vibhu has been instrumental in strategizing the vision and execution of setting up the AI Works unit at Max Life with strong focus of business-first AI solutions, driving measurable, direct and unprecedented business impact. Vibhu is an MBA graduate from ISB Hyderabad. He has completed his Bachelor of Fashion Technology from NIFT Bangalore with a specialization in apparel manufacturing and technology, and has successfully completed various hands-on data science programs with specialization in deep learning.
First of all, I would like to thank Analytics India magazine for honoring me with this award. It's a great feeling to be recognized as one of the top 40 data scientists under 40 nationally. I would like to thank my colleagues, my team members, my mentors, teachers, my friends and my family members who have been helping and supporting me across my journey with data and data science. It's really been an enriching and satisfying experience with both a lot of learning and implementing data science solutions across a very diversified set of businesses, and I'm thankful to my employers for giving me that opportunity. The last few years have been really transformational for the field of data science, and AI solutions have now become an integral part of business decision making and decision automation at all the levels. And I'm really excited and happy to keep making my contribution towards delivering some of these business outcomes and creating a social impact, leveraging the power of data science. I would like to thank the Max Life leadership team for having this vision and belief in the power of AI and data science and carving out a dedicated AI team. With such a focus, we have been able to build and implement some of the industry first solutions across the life insurance value chain. So thank you for that. I would like to congratulate all the winners for 40 Under 40 Data Scientist Award for getting this award and for their contributions in the field of data science.
Vikram Khurana. Vikram is the head of data at Times Internet Ghana. Having started his analytics career as an analyst in boutique consulting firms in India, many of his projects have proved to be a marquee in increasing analytics investments in India in early years. He then moved to setting up a data team in a logistics startup and contributed in making data products become one of the core competencies for organizations. In his current role, he is now working as the head of data at the largest music streaming company in India. Vikram has helped many organizations in India and outside realize multifold gains from data. He has rich experience which spans into multi-dimensions in B2B, B2C space, consulting and startup space. Vikram has an MBA in Marketing and Finance and BTech in Computer Science.
Thank you Analytics India for giving me this award. It's a great pleasure to receive this award. To take this opportunity to thank every participant who has helped me in this journey, my team, my colleagues, my seniors and my family. This is an era for data to